Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel to count, full guide. Start by selecting the range you want and decide if you need totals, criteria, or blanks counted. Use count for exact numeric matches, countif for single criteria, and countifs for multiple conditions. For text and non-blank cells, use counta and countblank. I will walk you through examples and common mistakes so you can apply formulas confidently. Let's look at the basic functions you will use every day in Excel. Use count when you only want numeric entries counted, and use counta when text and numbers both matter. Countblank is perfect to find missing entries or empty rows to clean up data. I will show formula placement, range selection, and quick validation tips so your counts are accurate and easy to audit in your sheet. Quick recommendation: bring some mood to your spreadsheet sessions with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which plays music and sets timers while you work. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Check the description for the product link and more deals to make your setup better. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now we move into conditional counting that answers real questions in your data. Countif handles single criteria such as 10 or completed, while countifs combines multiple conditions like status and date ranges. For more complex logic, SumProduct or dynamic array formulas can evaluate multiple criteria or patterns. I will demonstrate examples with text matching, date ranges, and combined numeric conditions so you can adapt these techniques to your own reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.